Hello everyone, this is Salar and you are learning JavaScript on Smart Code. So this is gonna be our tutorial number 26 and we will be learning trim method. Trim is a string method. Trim method is incredibly useful and it is used to remove white space characters from the both side of the string. We use trim method in most of the cases. For example, when we read data from the text boxes, then we apply trim method to make sure white spaces are not coming along with the data, right? So the white spaces associated with the data can be problematic if we are not removing them. So the trim method helps us to remove white spaces. So the method is very simple and it doesn't require any parameter. And there are three versions of trim method: trim, trim start, trim end, right? When you apply trim, white spaces are removed from both the side of a string. And trim start will remove the white spaces from the start, and trim end will remove the white spaces from the end of a string. Now in the program, I set up a string and give it white spaces deliberately. Now let's suppose the string that we want in the program is just hello, which consists of 5 characters. But there are some extra spaces before and after the string. And if you run this string against the length property, you will see the length of the string is more than 5. And here you see the length of the string is not 5, it's 15, right? So in order to remove extra white spaces before and after the string, you just need to apply trim method to it. Right, so the trim method gonna remove all the white spaces before and after, and it returns a new string object. We can cancel log to see the result. And here you see the string and its length. It is not good, right? So this is how we apply trim method and remove extra white spaces. And you can also apply trim start and trim end method if you are intending to remove white spaces either from the start or from the end of the string. So this is the end of the tutorial and we talked about trim method. And in the next tutorial, we will look at the last string method, which is called split. I will see you there and thanks for watching.